Who did it?
Debbie did it.
Why did Grandma Debbie do it?
You scare me.
Daddy's scary. Make a really funny face. Whoa. Whoa. Make a really, really, really funny face.
Grandma Debbie.
Where's your pretty face, Maya?
We see me up.
Like this.
We see me up. We see me.
Daddy's talking to you.
Maya, where's your pretty face? Like this. Alright, that's enough.
I think you have more soup on your shirt than you got in your belly.
I think it needs to go in the bathtub.
I'm going bathtub.
Yeah, she does.
You're a hot mess.
And have this.
You're a hot mess.
And have a mess.